To the private prosecution of the two offenses that Mr. Penner has been charged with, we have taken several steps in an effort to gain the information necessary to prosecute the case against Mr. Penner. If you would recall, and again the record would reflect, the Prime Minister is the one who suggested that the PUP, he suggested the PUP should actually try to get information under the Freedom of Information Act and do this private prosecution instead of the writ of mandamus. Well, we succeeded in the writ of mandamus. Now that we're following through, and now COLA has taken up the challenge, now that we're following through on what he suggested, we are meeting roadblocks at every corner. We have formally requested, from the Commissioner of Police through a letter that he turn over all information to us, all evidence gathered from his investigation. Now, under the Freedom of Information Act, he has 14 days to comply with that request. 14 days have long gone. Likewise, the Auditor General, we have requested from her that she deliver all information and materials she may have gathered in her investigation. 14 days have long gone, but she has responded. Unlike the Commissioner of Police, the Auditor General has responded and said, I cannot give you the evidence that we have gathered because those documents or that material is exempt. She said she is not finished with her investigation. Now, I don't know how long these people want to carry on this investigation, but it has been over 8 months now that this offense has taken place and that everybody has been intentionally dragging their feet. Now, the application that I have made in relation to the Auditor General under the Freedom of Information Act, I am entitled as an attorney and as representative for COLA to ask for a review of her decision that the material is exempt. So now the Ombudsman under the Freedom of Information Act, this is the system we have in place, will now look to determine whether in fact that material is exempt.